Here we are going to talk about different feelings. Check the pictures, emojis to understand feelings better. The first one is silly. For example, he is silly. He is silly. No. The first picture, check it. Silly. He is silly. We can say he is funny. He is fun. He tells jokes. He tells silly jokes. Nervous. Oh, maybe you're nervous. You're stressed. The next one is about surprise. I'm surprised. I am surprised. When I am surprised, can you say happy?
No.
Happy birthday. Surprise. And here it is the adjective. I can say I am surprised. Are you surprised?
Mm-hmm.
Are you surprised?
Yes.
Very good. The short answer. Yes, I am. Are you surprised?
Yes, I am.
Very good. What about proud? Can you make a sentence with proud?
بله افتخار کردن.
Make a sentence. For example, I am proud. I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself.
Perfect. I am proud of my mom.
I am proud of my mom.
به مامانم افتخار میکنم. I am proud of my dad.
I am proud of my dad.
Excellent. Oh, skirt. Do you know the meaning of a skirt?
Skirt anything?
If you see a cockroach, it is scary. Oh my God. Scared. ترسیدن. For example, I'm scared.
Okay.
There's a lion in my bedroom. I'm scared.
No, he's scared.
No. Are you scared?
No.
I'm a lion.
No.
Are you scared?
No.
I'm going to eat you.
No.
Are you scared?
No.
No what? The short answer is no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Are you scared?
No.
Are you scared?
It's honey.
Oh my God. Happy. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Excellent. What about tired? Or maybe something like sleepy. Are you tired? Are you?
Yes.
Oh my God. So sleep enough not to feel tired. What about angry? Are you angry? No what? The short answer is no, I'm not.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
I'm not. I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Confused. Are you confused?
چه صدا زد confused؟ کی امضا میخواد؟
No, it is about confused. گیج شدن. Are you confused?
Yes.
I am. Hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you hungry?
No, I can't.
I'm not. Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you excited?
No.
Are you excited?
No, I'm not.
Are you sick?
No, I'm not.
Are you frustrated? Hopeless? Now
Yes.
Are you frustrated?
No,
I'm happy. Are you bored? کسل شدی? Are you bored?
No, I'm
The
not.
first picture. What is the first picture? Silly, nervous, surprised, proud, excited, hungry. What is this?
Surprise.
Excellent. Sorry. You said surprise. I made a mistake. I made a silly mistake. What is this? Tell me. He is surprised or excited?
It's correct.
No, it's not about a skirt. Excited. He's excited. And what about this one? Can you guess?
Sleepy.
Sleepy we don't have. Maybe tired.
Tired.
Excellent. Tired is the synonym of sleepy. What do you think about this girl?
It's happy.
Happy. Excellent. She is happy. And what do you think about this one?
Angry.
Excellent. Complete sentence. She is angry. She is angry. Can you tell me about this one? Oh.
She is.
Proud. That's a boy, so you can say he is proud. And the next one. Oh, hey, look at this baby. He is.
No.
He is what?
Sad.
Do we have sad here?
Yes.
Silly, confused, bored.
Sad.
We don't have sad here.
Sad.
Maybe nervous. It's not correct. Sad is not the word. What about this girl? She is funny.
Yes.
She is? Silly. She's silly. She's funny because she is making a face. And he doesn't, excellent. He doesn't know what to do, what not to do, so he is confused. What do you think about this boy?
Nervous.
Excellent, nervous. Maybe because of his exam. Oh, look at this little boy. He is scared. Oh no, that was not about a skirt. What about this one? This one.
It's scared.
A skirt. Complete sentence. He is a skirt.
He is scared.
Yes. And this girl is not feeling good. She is
sick.
Excellent. She is sick. And look at this boy. Oh. With a spoon and a fork. Hungry. Excellent. He is hungry, or you can say he is feeling hungry. He doesn't know what to do, what not to do, so he is
bored.
I love you, you're a smart boy. That's correct. There are two other words. She is surprised. We don't have a skirt here. Just two words: surprised and frustrated. Sad is not the word. The word is frustrated. Oh, sad. That's right. But this one is frustrated. You're right. The little boy is sad. Excellent.